Hallo daar, welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series, the perfect beginner's course to learn Afrikaans. Last time we did selfstandige naamwoorde, nouns in Afrikaans. This time we will cover beroepe, professions in Afrikaans. Do subscribe if you enjoy our series. Worksheets and early videos are available on the Patreon. Les 12, beroepe, professions. In this lesson we go over the Afrikaans vocabulary for some professions. Make sure to pronounce with us. Beroepe are nouns. Beroepe is selfstandige naamwoorde. As selfstandige naamwoorde, they can have an article that is added in front of the word when used in different sentences. For example, die kelner, of 'n kelner, 'n kelner. Which of the two articles you use only depends on if you are referring to a specific noun or not. Die is your definite article. Bepaalde lidwoord, bepaalde lidwoord. And 'n is your indefinite article. Onbepaalde lidwoord, onbepaalde lidwoord. Notice how they are used in the sentences that will follow. Hy is 'n kelner. Hy is 'n kelner. Onderwyser, onderwyser. Ek is 'n onderwyser. Ek is 'n onderwyser. Sy is 'n onderwyseres. Sy is 'n onderwyseres. As you can see, onderwyser and onderwyseres are different. This is because some nouns, selfstandige naamwoorde, are gendered. They have geslag, geslag. Let's show some more beroepe that have geslag. Acteur, acteur. Actrice, actrice. Haarkapper, haarkapper. Haarkapster, haarkapster. Kok, kok. Kokkin, kokkin. Direkteur, direkteur. Direktrice, direktrice. Polisieman, polisieman. Polisievrou, polisievrou. Kelner, kelner. Kelnerin, kelnerin. As you see, for most of these examples, the suffix changes slightly for the female form. Usually this is a pattern you can spot with time as you get to know the gendered forms, like acteur becoming actrice. The same happens for directeur, directrice. Some beroepe, however, don't have a geslag. In that case, you can use the same word for everyone. Also, in modern Afrikaans, the male form is preferred. So a word might have a female form like actrice, but the trend is to just use acteur instead. Sy is 'n goeie acteur. Let's now look at some beroepe without geslag. Dokter, dokter. Hy is 'n dokter. Sy is 'n dokter. Tandarts, tandarts. Soldaat, soldaat. Fotograaf, fotograaf. Vleenier, vleenier. Assistent, assistent. Baas, baas. Student, student. There we have some beroepe in Afrikaans. Take note that as nouns, selfstandige naamwoorde, all these words can have an article, a lidwoord, as well as plural, meervoud, which we will make a separate video about. Let's recap every beroep once more. Make sure to pronounce after us. Onderwyser, onderwyseres. Acteur, actrice. Haarkapper, haarkapster. Kok, kokkin. Direkteur, direktrice, polisieman, polisievrou, kelner, kelnerin, dokter, tandarts, soldaat, fotograaf, vlieënier, assistent, baas, student. Thank you for watching. Next time we do food in Afrikaans, kos. It will be delicious. Dit sal heerlik wees. To test yourself, visit our Patreon for worksheets. Do watch this video again to study effectively. Baie dankie. Sharing, liking and subscribe will help our channel a lot. Comment any questions below. Bye.